feels, but the feels in the fire when I'm my darling. And you were right here, every heart, every beat, every touch, my darling. And I ain't gonna run.
Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Becca Cosmetics First Light Priming Filter. Next I'm gonna do my eyebrows using a NYX Cosmetics eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown.
So baby, don't you leave tonight. And don't you don't play no games with me. Don't play no games with me. Don't play no games with me.
To clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. I use Chestnut because it's really close to my skin color and I don't want to get that white cast.
We get a little lost in the dark, but you carry your light, my baby. And everywhere I turn, I just see you when you're looking my way, baby. And you were right here, every heart, every beat, every touch, my baby. And I ain't gonna run no more, cause I'm running with you. Oh.
Okay, now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyeshadow. For my eyelids, I'm gonna use the NYX eyeshadow base.
So baby, don't
make sure that my eyeshadow doesn't crease. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the base with Sasha Buttercup. Starting off with my transition shade, I'm gonna use Caramel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Going with Morphe's B81 brush.
Don't play no games with me. No, don't play no games with me. Oh.
I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35O palette. I'm gonna take the shade right here to better enhance my transition color.
Don't play no games with me. No.
I'm gonna go in this copper color right here and I'm gonna put that in my crease. This shade also in the crease. Go back into the transition color, my B81 brush again.
Don't play no games with me. Don't play no games with me.
Instead of cutting my crease for the lid color, I'm gonna go back in with NYX eyeshadow base and go ahead and just put it on my lid to get a crease effect.
Don't play no games with me.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that base again. And now I'm going to go into this color right here and put that all over my lid. I'm going to go back into this color right here and put it back in my crease once again. To blend everything, I'm going to use my Morphe B81 brush. I'm going to go back into the shade right here.
Gonna run no more, cause I'm running with you, my darling.
And for my brow bone, go into the shade right here.
I say I'm fine, but really I just lose my mind. So baby, don't you leave
Blend that all together again.
And don't play no games with me.
Now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and get into the foundation. The foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's a full coverage foundation that's supposed to last up to 24 hours. It's oil free, it doesn't clog your pores, also is transfer resistant. It's also a matte foundation. I'm going to go ahead and shake that up. I'm going to start off first with one pump. I'm using a Real Techniques brush.
And everywhere I turn, I just see you when you're looking my way, baby. And you were right here, every heart, every beat, every touch, my baby.
Alright, just
no more, cause I'm running with you. Oh. And when you go, I say I'm fine. But really, I just
to highlight, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee.
Don't you leave tonight. And don't you don't play no games with me. Don't play no games with me.
I'm just gonna go with my beauty blender and just blend everything all out.
No,
be using my Black Radiance concealer stick. It's in the color 8003.
Don't play no games with me.
Also gonna go in with a Real Techniques brush.
Don't play no games with me. Don't play no games with me.
To set my highlight, I'm gonna mix the Sasha Buttercup and the Ben-nye banana powder together.
Got a little lost out west, but you picked up my head, my darling. Feeling through the fields, but the fields in the fire were not my darling. And you were out here, every heart, every beat, every touch, my darling. And I ain't gonna run no more, cause I'm running with you, my darling. And when you go, I say I'm fine.
To set my contour, I'm gonna use the Black Radiance contour palette. Use that Real Techniques brush again.
So baby, don't you leave tonight. And don't you play.
For my eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. cream liner.
Don't play no games with me. Don't play no games with me. No. Don't play no games with me. Oh. Don't play no games with me. We get a little lost in the dark, but you carry a light, my baby.
Just gonna go ahead and dust the excess powder off my face. Be using my Morphe powder brush.
And you were right here, every heart, every beat, every touch, my baby.
And I'm gonna set my face using Ben-nye powder's Topaz.
I'm running with you, oh. And when you go, I say I'm fine.
For lashes, I'm gonna use Flutter Lashes Valarie. My mascara by NK and just go in the lashes and blend my lashes in. Now I'm gonna go back into that 35O palette and get this shade, and this shade, plus the transition shade. For the inner corner of my eye and to highlight, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow. For that inner corner, I'm gonna use this color right here called White Sand.
But the feels in the fire were not my darling. And you were out here, every heart, every beat, every touch, my darling.
Then I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown's Brownie.
With you, my darling. And when you go, I say
I'm finally gonna set my face using Urban Decay's All Nighter spray.
I just lose my mind. So baby, don't you leave.
Here's the finished look. If you love the look, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe below. Thank you. See you later.